Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to solve um, media problem that is remove subfolders from the file system. Uh, Given a list of folders, return the folders after removing on subfolders. Okay. If a folder is located within folder, another folder's tree is called subfolder. Subfolder means you can see the prefix of for example, this is part A, and this A and B, and so this is parent of this. No, it's just naturally natural, uh, but B not subfolder of A, B, C, of course, because it starts by A, not B. Okay, the format of the parts is one or more concatenation strings. Okay, lower English letters, legal and legal problems valid, but this is not okay. All right, and the constraints. Mm-hmm. Uh, it's like 40,000, and the length is about 100. So you can see that the mean length is 2, so it's never, we don't need to handle this case. And because of the length is about 100, that means that in the worst case is something like this. So there are two characters like this, so it's gonna be 50. I call it 60 subpart. So total we gonna it's very small. Okay, so a solution with border length with this is acceptable. Uh, for this problem, as the first thought I is about my first thought is building a tribe G, this data structure. Yeah. But we store like uh, we split the parts. For example, A, B, like C, E, D. We split it into by this scatter, the backslash. I don't know. So it's gonna become like this: A, B, like C, E, D. Yeah. Actually, this is the variant of tribe. Is radix tree. Radix tree. Just search on Google. Then you maybe got some A, B like E, for example, this, and you got the parent pointer like A, B, no, A, B, C, to travel A, B, and C. This is the end of node, this is the end, this is the end. So after building this tree, uh, for each query, for each folder, you need to travel from the leftmost one. For example, you will try to check if A, B, C, A, D is a subfolder of another string. You just need to go from the root, find A, B here, and find the C here. And I see you found that this is a folder. This is the folder because I mark it as a folder here with the H character here. So after you figure out that there's a prefix of this one, uh, in the tree. So we remove this one out because it's a sub folder. So it's easy. For example, we want to check the A B, A B like for example A B E. For example, you go this and this also. But actually is the end of string, but you also reach the end of this folder, so it's not. So the solution is to build a registry. But actually, I don't think in the interview you implement this. So I gonna propose another solution. This is the optimal one. The complexity is very small. I propose another one is still have maybe have the same time complexity, but with more space, with more storage. That is we store a map. For example, you got this folder. We're gonna select it on. It's gonna be AB, AB, and like ABC as well. A, B, C, E, D. So so if no, we don't need to insert this. But if we insert these two into the map and check, and just check if it's on after you insert on the folder, you check. For example, you check this folder A B C. You insert this, it's gonna be A B and like you know like A B and C. Yeah, when you travel to this, you not insert this before retrieve. That means we need to check if it's prefix content already in the map. For example, you get this AB. Actually, we don't insert it. We insert ABC. Sorry. It's ABC, and you check AB not content in the map, but ABC content in the map here. So we could see that we got a prefix text. Okay, and after you check it's already in the map, you'll remove it. And remember to insert this too. In the case in the future, you're gonna see some string like this. For example, yeah, it's still subfolder of this, but actually it's it's still subfolder of this. Yeah, after remove it, we don't need to check it out. Um, but first we need to insert it on, and check every prefix. Okay, the create map here. Full like map for string folder, and insert it into the map fph uh, true. So that is, and now we do it again. We need to split it by the this last by slot batteries. That's what. If there's a string dispute, so okay. It's no. So I will do it by my hand. Okay. Actually, we need to fall from the second one. If check uh, if we check the code folder, then we need to delete this, right? Like if a sub if not is the not subpointer, so we're gonna add it to the page. Hmm. Picture this part. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's just correct. Submit it. Okay, I said it. So I believe that the top solution is use try. Oh, if we use stat and all stat, well, I think it's much better. I think so. String view. Okay, it's reduce time a little bit. Okay, but it's not just the main idea is that you can optimize by using some technique like reference, use another set to reduce time complexity. example. No, it's could be faster, another map. Yeah, you see it's faster, but it's not too much. You can use set instead of map because actually we don't need to store the boon here. You see, insert like H, not set. This might be faster, because the map must store double size. Oh, slower. Oh, never mind. So, have a nice day.